Hi everyone, it's Simple Dad here. So if you just picked up the Galaxy S25 Ultra, or even if you just had it for a while, you might not realize how much you can customize it. Today I'm showing you 5 awesome tweaks that will not only make your phone look better, but actually work smarter for you. So we're talking about round volume bar, a cleaner navigation setup, AI wallpapers, recording videos with your own background music, and more. So if you're all about keeping things simple, smart, and personalized, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more tips like this. And let's try to hit the goal of 250 likes on this video. So let's get started. So feature number 1 is where you can customize your volume bar on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So first up, the volume bar. So out of the box, it looks fine, but let's be honest, it's kind of plain and simple. You can now change the color, the position, and the transparency of it, even the shape. So it's all under the sound assistant in Good Lock. So let me show you how to do this. So first you need to go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, you're going to find the sound assistant module, which is right here. Now here you want to go ahead and tap on make your own volume panel colors. So tap on this, tap this feature on, and now here you can go ahead and choose from all these effects. So you can have lighting effects. You can choose your effect. You can go ahead and choose texture as well, mesh or acrylic. You can go ahead and choose your shape. So you can have small shapes, you can have large shape, small shape, a thin shape, or a thick shape. So go ahead and choose what you like. Once that's done, press home. And now when you go ahead and look at your volume control, you'll see that your volume control has now changed. So you have basically customized the volume bar on your Samsung S25 Ultra. You can change the look on your volume bar slider to match your style or your theme. Feature number 2 is where you can change your volume bar to round style. So if you're into that round iOS style volume control, you can switch it easily using the Good Lock module like the sound assistant. So it not only looks clean, but it also feels more responsive. Plus you can choose exactly where it pops up on the screen. So here we'll first go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, we're going ahead and opening up the sound assistant module. Tap on make your own volume panel colors and then scroll down, and from here you're going to find the control type and you're going to change it to a knob. So as you can see, if you scroll up now, you have different textures or lighting effects which you can apply. You can apply these textures. If you scroll down, you can choose different shapes, so you can make it large or small. If you go back, you can go ahead and customize it. Once that's done, you can go ahead and look at your volume control. So this gives your phone a softer, more modern look, so it's great for one-handed use. Feature number 3 is where you can customize your navigation bar on your Samsung S25 Ultra to have photos or pictures. So as you can see, I've got cars. So I can press the middle button, this will go home. I can go ahead and open up the task manager. However, as you can see, these are all car pictures. So let me show you how to change your back, home, and recent to photos you download from the internet. So before you start, you want to first go ahead and open up Google Chrome. And here you want to go ahead and find photos you want to replace it with. So let's just say flowers. So we'll go ahead and you go to images and we'll go ahead and find flowers. So for example, this one here, we'll use Galaxy AI, Smart Select, and we'll go ahead and clip this and we'll download this. Now we'll go ahead and find another one. Let's go ahead and find a rose. Go ahead and clip this as well and we'll download it. And last one, let's go ahead and find a sunflower. We'll use Smart Select and we'll go ahead and clip this and download it. So now we have 3 pictures of flowers and we'll go ahead and replace it with our home, back, and recent. So next we'll go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, we'll go ahead and open up the NavStar Module. We'll switch this on, tap on new configuration, and here we'll go ahead and replace these buttons here. So we'll go ahead and tap on recent first, use the gallery, and go ahead and choose this button here. So no, we don't want to crop it. Next, we'll go ahead and replace the home button, replace it with a rose, no, and then we'll go ahead and replace the back button. Replace it with this flower here, no. Now we'll go tap on save. And then we'll go ahead and scroll down and we'll use the configuration which we created, which is right here, and then tap on home. So as you can see now, our configuration has now changed. So like this, you can basically configure your very own navigation bar. You can basically change it to custom photos. Feature number 4 is where you can set wallpapers with AI Select. So do you want a wallpaper that matches your mood without scrolling for hours? You can use the new AI Wallpaper Select option. So it basically selects whatever is on screen and creates a background. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll be using an app called TikTok. On TikTok, we can go ahead and tap on search, and we'll go ahead and search for 4K abstract wallpaper or just wallpaper. Now go ahead and scroll through these wallpapers and find the one that you want. So for example, this one here. Now go ahead and long press on the wallpaper, and then we'll go ahead and tap on clear mode. So we'll go ahead and remove all this overlay. Next, we'll enable the Smart Select. So AI Select. This will now select the background. Then tap on the 3 dots and then tap on Set as Wallpaper. So now this will basically set a wallpaper for our home screen and lock screen. Tap Next. Tap Done. Tap Skip. And now a wallpaper has been set. So as you can see, you can instantly set wallpapers using AI Select. And lastly, feature number 5 is where you can record video with your own music on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So recording a video with your own music playing in the background, it used to be tricky. However, now with the camera assistance and some clever audio settings, you can now play a song and record without the system muting it. So let me show you how to do this. So first we'll go ahead and open up our camera app. Now next we'll go ahead and tap on the video mode, then tap on the 4 dots and then tap on settings. Then you want to go ahead and scroll down and find the video section, which is right here. Tap on advanced video options. Now next go ahead and scroll down and find audio playback. So this will allow music and other audio to play while you record. Playback will pause when you're using 360 audio or a Bluetooth mic. So we'll turn this feature on, go back, go ahead and open up Spotify. Now let's go ahead and just activate your song. Let's play this. So as you can see, the music is playing in the background. Then we can go ahead and open up our camera app, and then we can go ahead and record. So as you can see, so I'll mute this. However, the audio is being played and your video is being recorded. So you can create custom social clips or vlogs with your favorite background track on your Samsung S25 Ultra. And there you go, 5 easy ways to transform your S25 Ultra into something that feels more like your phone, not just a phone. So we kept it simple, but every tweak adds a little magic. So if you learned something new today, go ahead, tap the like button. Let's aim for 250 likes, and I love your help reaching it. And hey, if you like these kind of straightforward, no nonsense tips, go ahead and subscribe please. I've got plenty more coming for your Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.